Let us solve a question on government spending multiplier. The question is, given consumption function is C is equal to 4600 plus 0.9y. C denotes the consumption, y is the income. We have to find out the size of the government spending multiplier. And also, if income increases by $300, what happens to the consumption spending? Okay. So, given the consumption function is C is equal to 4600 plus 0.9y. Okay. Let us break this out. C denotes the consumption function. Okay, this 4600 denotes the autonomous consumption when the level of income is equal to 0. Okay, this constant denotes the level of consumption we will do when our income is equal to 0, and this 0.9 denotes our marginal propensity to consume. Okay, now government spending multiplier, if I write it here, government expenditure multiplier or spending multiplier it is being given by, that is 1 divided by 1 minus the marginal propensity to consume. This is the formula. In the next videos I will also try to derive this formula. Okay, so let's denote it by K. Okay, that means K denotes the government expenditure multiplier. It will be equal to 1 divided by 1 minus MPC is 0.9. Let's write it here 0.9, which comes out to be 1 divided by 0.1. Okay, and 0.1 can be written as 1 upon 10. That means the government spending multiplier will be equal to 100. Okay, what exactly does it tell us? It simply tells us if income increases, if income changes by, let us say, 1 unit, not income here, it shows us what happens to the level of income when the autonomous autonomous variables in a national income model changes, like the what we call the investment or government spending. Okay, what happens to the level of GDP when the autonomous things change? Okay, here it shows it is 10. That is, if government expenditure, let us say if government expenditure is increased by, let us say, 100 units. Okay, if we inject $100 dollars, then the level of income will be equal to the size of multiplier times the change in the expenditure, that is equal to 100, which gives us 10 into 100. That means our level of income will increase by $1000. Okay, so it shows us the magnitude of the change in the level of income given some autonomous variables in a national, what we call macroeconomic model change. Okay, now coming to the next part, we have to find out if income increases by 300, what happens to the consumption spending. Let's rewrite our consumption function, that is C is equal to 4600 plus 0.9y. okay, let's take the differential on both sides. So differential of del y C is del C, which will be equal to differential of this constant will be equal to 0. Then we have 0.9 and differential of y will be del y. Okay, here we are being told that the income increases by 300. That means our del y is equal to 300. If del y is equal to 300, that implies del C will be equal to 0.9 times del y, which is 300. It comes out to be, if I have the space here, it will come out to be, that means the income will consumption will increase by, that is 9 upon 10 into 300. So 0 gets cancelled, 9 3s are 27. So the change in consumption will be equal to $270. So I hope I make myself clear. Thank you.